Hi, I'm RareCrypto, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Let's go. Jumping into the charts. Alright, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at the monthly chart of Bitcoin and USD, and what can we see? We can see that in the month of April, we are respecting our resistance line that we set at 29K, and we have our support line at 25K. Alright, let's switch our time frame. Let's go to the 2-week chart. We are respecting that resistance line that we set. As we can see here, and we can see on the 2-week chart that people took profits above that 29 area due to that particular wick. Okay, let's go down to the weekly. On the weekly, we did break that resistance line from the monthly chart where we set this resistance line at. However, when we look at last week, we did not hold that resistance line as support. And now we're in a new week. And looking at this new week here, we should come up and maybe touch this line before we continue to trend downwards. All right, due to this candle being a bearish engulfing candle. All right, now it's time for the MACD. All right, so looking at the MACD here, it looks like we are running a momentum here on the weekly chart. What I mean by that is we see this green and light green color here, and we can see that our blue line is not curved all the way up, so it looks like it's coming horizontally. All right, if we go back to the monthly chart, we can see that not much has changed here on the MACD. We do have a changing color from red to pink, indicating that, hey, the trend is shifting and the bottom is in, or it's like an 80% chance that the bottom is in. All right, now it's time for the indicators. All right, so looking at the indicators here, what do we have? We have the stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the MFI. All right, calling out what we called out last week here. On the weekly chart, we have a cross on the stochastic RSI. Usually when the orange crosses over the blue, indicates that, hey, the prices should be coming downwards, meaning that, hey, there's no money coming into the market or the trend is shifting. And as we can see, that is true. Prices did come down, and we did not hold that 28K or 29K as support. And right now, this week, we're going to be fighting to get above that 29, 28K zone. Okay? So looking at this particular chart, what do I anticipate to happen this week? All right, so looking at this indicator here, I still see that cross here. It doesn't look like we're going to have a blue. It doesn't look like we're going to have a change in trend here this week. However, with the month coming up to an end, there could be some pumping going on. And what I mean by that is, let's go back to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we do have this blue over the orange, indicating that, hey, the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend, and the blue is over the orange on the monthly chart. So we could have some bulls coming to the market right here in the month of April, and the body of the candle will be intersecting this support line. And you know what they say? They say go away in May or sell in May. So that's something to look out for. The trend is upward. We do have a higher high, so that's what I anticipate to happen this week. So 2 things to call out here. This week, what could happen is, let's go back to the weekly chart. We could come back and touch this 25K and then shoot back up. All right, and we shoot back up into May, and then you see people start to take profits in May. Okay, so that's something I'm looking out for. Other than that, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe, and come back next week, Sunday at 9 p.m. Central Time. I'm RareCrypto. Let's go.
RareCrypto for the people. RareCrypto for the people. Financial freedom.